In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix web hosting not showing in GoDaddy. If you've logged into your account and your hosting plan seems to have just disappeared, it can feel a bit alarming. The good news is, one of the most common reasons for this is simply that the plan has expired or there's a billing issue, and that's exactly what we're going to check and fix together. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your name or profile icon there. Go ahead and click that. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. From that menu, select the option called Renewals and Billing. This is the area where GoDaddy keeps track of all your active products, as well as anything that has expired or been cancelled. It's the best place to quickly see if your hosting is still current or if it needs attention. After the Renewals and Billing page loads, you'll see different tabs or sections, typically including active, expired, and sometimes cancelled. If your hosting isn't showing up under your usual My Products section, there's a strong chance it has moved into one of these other tabs. Click on the expired tab first, take a moment to scroll through the list and look for your hosting plan here. It may be labeled as web hosting, cPanel hosting, WordPress hosting, or something similar, depending on what you originally purchased. If you can't find it under expired, also check the cancelled tab in case it was manually cancelled at some point. If you do see your hosting plan listed under expired or cancelled, check the date it expired. Hosting plans that have only recently expired, usually within about 30 days, can often be brought back without much trouble. This grace period can vary, but around a month is a common time frame. When you find the expired hosting plan, look for a button or link next to it that says Renew. Click Renew to start the process of reactivating your hosting. You'll typically be guided through choosing a renewal term, such as 1 year or multiple years, and then you'll complete the payment. Take your time here to confirm the term, length and billing details so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Once your payment goes through, your hosting plan should return to your account and begin showing again under your active products. It may take a short while for everything to fully update, but you'll usually see it come back pretty quickly. If your plan doesn't appear under expired or cancelled at all, or if it expired longer ago and the renew option isn't available, you may need to contact GoDaddy support to see what recovery options, if any, are still possible.